Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm reviewing something really feminine, really elegant. It's the Jedem Jain and Maiza Lyric for Women perfume. If you are someone who loves soft floral scents, or if you are looking for an everyday perfume that's not too heavy but still makes you feel fresh and confident, then you are going to love this. I have been using it for a while now, and in this video, I will take you through everything from how it smells, how long it lasts, where to buy it, and even whether it's worth your money or not. So, let's get started. So, before we jump into the fragrance itself, let me quickly tell you about the brand. Zane and Maiza is actually a brand under the Good Glam group. You have probably heard of them from brands like My Glam and the Moms Co. What's special about the JDM is that they are all about clean beauty. So their perfumes are vegan, cruelty free, and even halal certified. The Lyric for Women perfume is marketed as this floral, elegant, everyday fragrance, perfect for women, brunch, or just heading out for errands. And trust me, it actually lives up to a lot of those claims, but more on that in a bit. Alright, now let's get into the fun part how it actually smells. So, right after you spray it, you will notice these fresh, slightly citrusy top notes. That's the bergamot and mandarin coming through with a tiny kick of pink pepper. Then give it a few minutes and you will start getting this soft floral hurt. Jasmine, rose, and tuberose. Very feminine, very elegant. And once it settles completely, you are left with this warm, cozy base of musk, amber, and vanilla. So, overall, it starts off fresh and uplifting, moves into floral elegance, and finishes with a soft, comforting scent. So, I did a full day wear test. First 2 hours still smells super fresh. By hour 4, the floral notes are mellow but still noticeable. Around 6 to 8 hours, it fades into a nice soft musky base, subtle, but you can still catch a whiff, especially on clothes. This is not one of those overpowering perfumes that people can smell from across the room. It's more intimate, like someone would notice when they are close to you. Let me tell you what I absolutely loved about this perfume. It smells expensive without actually being expensive. Super wearable for daily use, vegan, cruelty free, and no parabens. Very skin friendly, stays on clothes for a fully day. Perfect for office, college, brunch, or even gifting. I honestly love that I can wear this perfume anywhere without worrying about it being too much. It's subtle, elegant, and just feel like me. This perfume is honestly for anyone who loves soft floral scents. It's perfect for college girls, office goers, moms, women who want something feminine but not loud. And even if you are buying your first perfume, this is a great entry point. Okay, no product is perfect, right? So let me be real. It's not super strong. So if you like bold or spicy perfumes, this might feel too light for you. I haven't found it in too many stores. It's mostly available online. And you might need to reapply if you are going out in the evening. You can find this on Nika, Amazon, Purple, and even Jane and Maisa's own website. It's usually around 225 rupees for 150 ml. It's depending on where you buy it and whether there is a sale going on. And sometimes they offer combos, so if you see a deal, grab it. Okay, final verdict. Do I recommend it? 100% yes. If you like clean floral scents that are budget friendly and easy to wear, I personally think it's a great value for money. I had give it a solid 9 out of 10 and I'm already planning to try their other variants too. So that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews like this, and drop a comment below if you have used Jedem Lyric or want me to compare it with other perfumes. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Stay fresh, stay fabulous.